Hey, howdy everybody, good morning. It is currently 6:51 on Tuesday.
June 2nd.
Right, June 2nd, 2020. Let me cut these wipers on. Alrighty. We getting ready to head over here to work. We gotta pull some orders we had on Poshmark and eBay. We gotta list something today. I didn't list nothing yesterday. My daughter had me sucked in Minecraft. Y'all ever play that? We was playing Minecraft. We played Minecraft all day long, just about it, which was all right with me. I had a good time with her. So we're fixing to head over here, get busy today, because we got to get everything back rolling. Well, I say back rolling. I mean, it's good sometimes just to step back and smell the roses. You know what I mean? Do y'all have dew where y'all live? Man, down here, every morning it looks like it come a torrential downpour. Everything's soaking wet. It's horrible.
There's a lady.
Horrible. Anyhow, we'll catch up with y'all here in a minute. Man, y'all all kinds of crooked. Piece of junk. Guys and gals, so y'all check it out. Can I get a roll tide? So we got these orders going out on eBay today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on eBay, 1 on Poshmark. And I'm gonna show you something about this here in a minute, but let's do these first. We sold some Sega controllers out of D1. And these were part of that video game haul I bought to get me a JFJ. And these were pretty good, so if y'all see these, pick them up. So these are some Sega control pads. See this here? And they make these with a little joystick here in the middle. And if you can find the ones with the joystick, they're worth more money than just the pads. But for these two, right here, we sold them as a 2-pack set of them. We ended up getting $34.96 plus shipping. So them are good. Next thing we sold on M4.
It's right here.
Oh, I was looking right at it. This right here. It's a Rainbird automatic sprinkler timer. Never been used. I did test it. Well, I tested it to the best of my ability. And it's sold for $26.25 plus shipping. Next thing on L1. Right here it is. Sold this. This was an RA, deal from Walmart. Got it on clearance. And I can't remember right offhand what we paid for it. Either $3 or $4, I think. And it's sold for $18.70 plus shipping, but you can see the package has got some wear to it. So, happy with that. Now you can be a ninja, just like Diamond Dave. Next thing we sold is a Carly in M5A38. A38.
Keep digging. It should be right there.
There it is. Woo! Do we got to get back in this one?
Yeah, later. For Poshmark.
Now we're looking for one on Poshmark while we got it open.
It's gray with leaves right there in front
Right
of it.
there it is. Okay, so we went ahead and pulled it while we in here. Might as well. Alrighty, so this one sold on the eBays. It's a LuLaRoe Carly. Size small. Got like a floral design on it. And for this, we got $10.49 plus shipping. Let's go ahead and do this one. So this sold on Poshmark, LuLaRoe medium. And it's got like leaves or feathers or something on it. And this sold on Poshmark for $19.
We took an offer for
Yeah,
19.
she took an offer for $19. But I had this same one listed on eBay for what, $11?
$12.25.
$12.25 plus shipping. So it sold on Poshmark for, what is it?
Like
$7 and something more.
something like that.
$6.75 more on Poshmark. So sometimes stuff will bring more money on the Poshmark, is what we found. I could have put this on eBay for that price and it would probably set for a long time. So happy with that. Next thing we sold, man, this is a good one here.
Denim.
M3.
Right
Where
here.
the heck is M3? Okay, here it is, she said.
I'll let y'all have a peek.
Y'all guess what this is before y'all look? buddy, it is a box of creepy clown. So this is just a random lot of how many? 17 creepy little clowns I did. And you can sell these clown figures, okay? Even pieces of them like I had yesterday, and put OOAK in the title, like this is for OOAK, because people will take these dolls and say they'll take the head off of this one, the clothes off of this one, and then they'll put something on here and they'll repaint them up, or they'll take parts from other dolls and combine them to make one-of-a-kind dolls. So if you market it that way, these people doing these crafts and making these dolls are looking for these type pieces to make their own. And it's real big in the Monster High community. Monster High dolls, people take parts and pieces from 10 different dolls, redo them, put them together in one doll, and then they make them one of a kind, and then they resell them or collect them, whatever they do with them. So we sold these right here, and we got 45, 46 free shipping.
Oh, we're bringing them clowns up in here.
Don't come over here with that damn foolishness. Let something jump up out of this damn box. You got knocked the hell out.
So I don't know if we're going to put these in an A, if they'll fit, or if they're going to go UPS. I don't know yet, but it ain't going to cost that much to ship them. I'll let you know what it costs. So that's our orders for today. I ran out of coffee cups here in the office, so you got to make do, I guess. You just got to be careful with that because it gets hot. It's got to have my coffee like we are. It's hot. Like if I had to imagine what the inside of a volcano felt like, this is it. We hold on, we're gonna try to get you out quick. Okay. So what we're gonna do, I didn't have a whole lot for a video today. I think we're up to like 7.5 minutes, 7 minutes, 6 minutes. And we seen a yard sale down the road here at a storage unit. So we're gonna ride over it real quick and do a quick walkthrough, see if we can find anything. So y'all stay with us. But it is hot. Let's see what they got up in here. Hey, what is this thing? The Mia grill.
I don't need a table. And just so y'all are aware, this is redneck ingenuity.
What is this thing?
It's a plunger.
For your toilet? We gotta buy that. Tell them we'll give them $1 for it. Look at this. They got the whole box full. That gun ain't for sale.
You won't sell it?
Ask him about these things. He got a whole box full of them.
For all of them?
Yeah, he got a whole box full.
Oh, there you are. But what'd you do for the whole box of these? Like all of them?
I get $1 a piece for it.
Are they all different sizes or all that same?
No, they all just one size. I wish it had been the big ones in there too, you know.
Yeah. I wish it would have too.
I'll take $50 for all of them. Ain't a bunch of them in there.
These some of these Coke bottles, if you find one I think made in Fort Payne, Alabama, it's worth a lot of money.
That's me, I don't know.
I think it's 14. One of them's real valuable. Emerald Aniston. I think it's 14. Sanford and Son, that's a good show. Howdy, howdy.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Buddy, we are hot.
Yeah, it is.
I hear you.
That was a good sign, made in the USA. It's like a oven today.
I can feel my face cooking.
It was on the wall on the side here.
Uh-huh.
He got them hang fire.
All these right here,
All these and all them more, whatever it got on there,
half price.
half price.
That's my kind of deal.
Okay.
Y'all check it out. We found a Veggie Pro. Vegetable Pro. Y'all think that one's worth money?
What about a wooden ladle?
What about these? That's a Hemming gray.
Same thing. Look at that vase. How cool is that?
The GD.
JD.
JD.
He's cool, but he's chipped. Money guard.
I'm gonna look over at them things. Them things.
Ever seen this? It's the Bible with the Old Testament selections all on records.
Mm.
Twinkie the Kid. I didn't even know they made Twinkie the Kid.
Twinkie.
Twinkie the Kid come out in 2001.
When?
Oh, one.
Man, it's hot.
He's cool.
Yeah. I was looking at him a while ago.
$1.50.
Yeah, we'll grab him. That's fun. How far do you have to go doing that?
All the way from Rome back home, man. I got it at 9 Mile up road and drove it to the shop for them to find out what it was.
Wow.
I drove it 9 more miles.
Wow.
And all you could do, pat the gas and you get it going. He'd jerk a while this way, trying to finish topping up.
Yeah.
And
You're just getting a little bit of fuel through it.
yeah, I was getting enough of fuel to run it, besides bullets, you know. I know it's good on out, and I know when they hit that hill and started doing that right there, I couldn't hardly get over a hill. I said, I got some more hills down in yonder.
Alrighty, guys and gals, so it is hot. We ended up picking up them stove-eye drip covers and a couple little pieces and a coffee machine. It's kind of like the big bun coffee machines you used to see in old gas stations.
The
you know?
commercial ones,
Yeah.
like a Waffle House or something.
Right, got one of them. I'll show y'all that tomorrow when we go over there and get it plugged in and show y'all that. So we did pick up a few things. Them stove-eye drippers, he priced to me at $50 at first, and I said, well, let me think about it. And I was looking them up, just seeing what the average price for singles were going for, doubles. And he come back over and said he let me have them off for 40. So I wasn't gonna say no. I'm pretty sure there's over 100 in that box.
If not more.
So we bought them. But we'll show all that to you tomorrow, so I'll have some footage for tomorrow's video. And I think that guy back there is opening, but I ain't going. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for us.
And if you haven't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell.
Right. And we do appreciate each and every one of you. All the contest winners have contacted us, so we're getting our stuff out to them. And hope you guys and gals like it. I think it was all gals though.
Yep.
Hope all you gals like it. And we will see you guys and gals tomorrow.
Bye, y'all.